Guys, more guys, listen and listen careful. My new song is coming out very soon now. It's coming out very soon. The song is coming out very soon, very soon. The new song is coming out very soon. Make I sing am for you people. Just make I just give you small music. Make I just give you the small one. No be the full one. No go come here, they come dey give you people the full one. But if you want to listen to the song, just dey use am for your TikTok. Abeg guys, dey use my music for your TikTok. If you check for your TikTok, Boyci, just search Boyci, you go see Boyci my lady, Boyci um I swear, Boyci fit I swear. You go see any song wey you go just search Boyci, you go see am. Make I just give you people this one. Only this one wey I go give you people. This one make we people dey for mood. Like now, I don start. I call Nkechi, she no answer. I call Nkechi, she no answer. I call Nkechi, she no answer. She say make I buy am condom. I call Nkechi, she no answer. Pom 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 pom. I call Nkechi, she no answer. She say make I buy am condom.